Wake up, candidates.
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 Wake up, candidates. Wake up, candidates.
Wake up, candidates.
Wake up. Hello, are you awake? Do I have to come to your house and knock on the door?
Wake up.
MCVA students challenge candidates of the February 27th municipal election to wake up. Wake up and focus on issues that are affecting the future leaders of America, the leaders that are dedicated to holding you accountable. So wake up.
Wake up, candidates. I'm Joshua Taylor, a senior from Brooks College Prep, and the biggest issue that you need to address is school funding.
Wake up, candidates. I am Marcus Smith, a senior from King College Prep. The biggest issue that you need to address is negative perception of you.
Wake up, candidates. My name is Brad Johnson, and I am a senior from Austin High School. And the biggest issue that you need to address is the deterioration of high schools.
Wake up, candidates. I'm Michelle Williams, a junior from New Millennium School of Health, and the biggest issue that you need to address is teen pregnancy.
I am Dana Leatherwood, a junior from Harlan High School, and the biggest issue that I think you need to address is sexual harassment.
Wake up, candidates. I am Latrice McAdams, a senior at Chicago Vocational Career Academy, and the biggest issue that you need to address is school funding.
Wake up! Wake up!
Come on!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
In today's status quo, youth like myself are referred to as the lost generation, ignorant, and lazy, etc. With such a negative perception, there's a lack of job opportunities, a lack of education investment, and more restrictive legislation passed that limits our freedom.
Watch the students in the Chicagoland area be put on the back burner when it comes to school funding. You should address this issue because it does exist, even if you don't think it's important.
The high schools in Chicago have been quickly deteriorating, slowly, but if not that already. Renaissance 2010 is meant to reduce class sizes and prevent violence, but in reality has increased class sizes and increased in violence. The schools that were slated for Renaissance 2010 have been cheated of an authentic high school experience. The lack of a good education and the lack of funding are just a few problems to be presented.
And out-of-date books and unfinished schools are the issues of many Chicago students. And when students have to use books from 1980 and use a gym room for auditorium and lunchroom, that's just simply unacceptable. So instead of giving family members raises within your political offices or spending large sums of money on the Olympics, you should invest time and effort into the schools of your future leaders of America.
What I'm really trying to say here is that you as candidates need to sit down and figure out possible solutions to reduce this issue to a simmer.
Maybe you know if you pay more attention. Maybe if you enforce police and school security, maybe it'd be solved. But maybe as you looked around and saw the problem and stopped ignoring it, maybe you can find a solution.
So I ask students, parents, aldermen, and the mayor to push for an increase in funding for these student programs. You have the ability to change a youth's life, so wake up and do it now.
Wake up! Wake up!